Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll see how we can redirect our WordPress 404 page to our home page using simply using code. We have multiple plugins to do this, to achieve this functionality, to do this thing, but we are going to use PHP code. So let's go to our dashboard. And in dashboard, basically what we need to do is we need to edit our 404 page. In some cases, if you go to theme file editor, you may see your 404 page. Here it is, 404 template. Okay, so here you can see all this stuff is here. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to select this and I'm going to comment it out. So it is now commented, or I can also do one more thing. I can delete this, all this stuff from this file. So what am I going to write here? Let me show you. It is a very simple code. What it does is it basically redirects WordPress to our website URL. This is the code. Okay, so what it does is it changes the location in the top bar with this location. Got it? Now I'm simply going to update this file. I'm now going to visit my site, and here I'm now going to slash any URL that I believe is not here. Okay, so it has some error. Just give me a minute. Let's okay. So what I'm going to do is I basically had this PHP opening tag here. That's why I got this error. I'm again going to paste that code. I'm going to update this file, and now if I refresh it, you will see it has taken us back to our home page. If I again go to some other URL, any random URL, anything, I'm going to press enter, and you can see it has again redirected us to our home page. Now we have second case in which we don't see our 404 template here. What we can do is we can simply go to our hosting, and there from there we can navigate to files, and there we can find our 404 page there, 404.php, and we can edit it. Got it? So this is how you can achieve this thing. I hope you people find this knowledgeable, and please do subscribe my channel and do like this video. If you have any queries, kindly do let me know. I'll also be sharing this code, link to this code in my video description. Thanks for watching. Take care.